Good afternoon. What I have here is a Sig Mosquito, a Ruger Mark III, just the good old plain Jane standard model, and a Sig P239 9mm. Okay, I'm making this video about this Sig Mosquito. Everybody has reliability issues with ammo, and they're not known to be that great. Some people say they're great, some people say they're crap. I think it's okay. When I got it, I got, I think, 200 rounds of the mini mags with it, and they worked great, no failures at all with it. I ran out of them, and as you know, 22 ammo is hard to come by. So, I ended up with some of this. Is the CCI tactical ammo, supposedly good for reliability feeding in AR style 22s. This stuff works pretty good. I've had very little failure to feeds or stovepipes or anything with it, but what I'm getting is almost like a light striker on the primer. You have to pull the trigger again in double action to get it to go off. I haven't figured out if that's the gun or if that's the ammo. This here is regular plain Jane CCI Blazer. This stuff I've actually had better luck with than this. I've had very few malfunctions. Never any light primer fires, so I'm wondering if it's not the ammo, but I'm not sure. But anyway, everybody worries about the reliability of that gun. I wouldn't recommend it for self-defense. It is a good take out and play with gun. You're going to have malfunctions. I mean, it's not that big of a deal to me. If you're worried about it, don't buy it. This Ruger Mark III right here is probably 2 weeks old, and so far, the only ammo I've used in it is the tactical and the CCI Blazers. Both of them work flawlessly. This gun has not jammed once. It's only had about 500 to 700 rounds through it, a mixture of both. Never had any problems. Ruger has got it on. This gun works good. I'm keeping the Sig Mosquito because it is a good training pistol for my P239. This gun here is badass. This gun has never failed to feed, never stovepipe, never nothing. I've used cheap ammo. I mean, this gun is where it's at. I've never had a problem with it. I highly recommend this as a good concealed carry gun. It works good. I mean, it's a full railed. You know, it's not a polymer frame gun. It works good. I love this gun. This one here is a polymer frame. This old Mark III, or new, old, whatever you want to call it, is the steel frame. This is my 6-year-old's gun. He loves it. It's very accurate. I just wanted to talk a little bit about these guns. This is kind of my first YouTube video in this style. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to load, this clip is loaded with the CCI Blazers, and I'm going to show you how well they work. This gun's kind of dirty, as of it's had probably 200 rounds put through it just this afternoon. A couple normal light strikers on these, no problems with these yet. So, the gun was clean when I started today, and I'm just going to show you how it works.
Daddy, you want me to hold it?
All 10, boom, works great. No problems there. I'd load another clip of the other stuff and show you, but I only have one clip. They're expensive. I'm not going to buy another one. I don't want to put any more money in this gun, because it is what it is. I'm just going to play with it. This gun here, I do have 2 magazines for because it came with 2. It's a great gun. I foresee this gun staying in the family for a very long time. That gun, of course, will stay around too. This one, I don't know. Hell, a month might go by, I might decide to get rid of it. But as of now, it works okay, and we're going to play with it. What do you think, Connor?
Good.
Which one do you like the best?
The Ruger.
The Ruger? Do you got a clip loaded for it?
Yeah.
You want to shoot it for him? Okay, here. Let me put the camera down for a second. Okay, I wanted to get one cycled in for my son here, and let her rip. Shoot her fast. Alright, that Ruger there, okay, put her down. That Ruger there has been fired the first weekend we had it. We took it out and put a minimum of 500 rounds in it without cleaning it, and never a malfunction. Great gun. Love it. All right. Thanks, YouTube. Have a good day.